Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually get a cooking kit now that the new BEANSTALK update is in and the cooking update is gone. So normally you go to the middle to make food using the cooking pot, but now that that's gone, you actually can't do that anymore since the BEANSTALK is in the way. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get a cooking kit that you can use to still make food and grow a garden. So it's actually pretty simple, but first what you're going to want to do is go ahead and pull out your garden guide. So that's the book that everybody should have in their inventory. Just go ahead and look around for that. Once you find it, right before we do that, if you guys could leave a like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it so much. Only if this tutorial is helpful. But once you have this open, you can go ahead and click on it. And once it opens here, you'll see your daily quests here. But you're actually going to want, or you might see your player, but you actually want to go ahead and go to achievements, which is the third tab down. Now once you click on that, there's going to be a couple options here, but you can actually click on either the common, rare, or mythical achievements. I'd suggest common since that's the easiest one to complete. But if you go in here, there's going to be a couple things that you can do to complete these tasks, like shovel 100 plants, harvest 200 carrots, gift 1 carrot, sell 500 strawberries, gift 5 strawberries. But once you actually do that, you'll actually see the rewards right here. So these are the rewards for completing this, and one of them is actually a cooking kit. So once you get a cooking kit, you'll actually be able to make your own food wherever you want, whenever you want to. So that way you can also make corn dogs or whatever else you need for anything that involves baking. So if this video was helpful, like I said, just leave a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!